Hey guys, today I'm going to go over my lesson plan for our digital learning lesson plan. Basically, I chose a second grade standard because I serve second grade students, and it was to describe the Georgia Creek and Cherokee cultures of the past in terms of tools, clothing, homes, ways of making a living, and accomplishments. There are so many ways students can use digital tools to show that they have successfully mastered this standard. Of course, the next thing I have listed is all our ITSE standards, and really every standard is touched in this lesson. So basically, the teacher will kind of come out with or present her unit lessons over Creek and Cherokee Indians to the students. And she will use some of the digital tools that the students will be able to use in making their project, such as Adobe Spark, Chatterpix, or Podcast. And I picked these three digital tools mainly because they're user friendly for second grade students. And we have so many ESOL students and special ed students in this class that these are user friendly for them as well. So the students will be making or presenting, actually making and presenting a digital project using one of the tools that I just named, and they will fill out in this digital project, the teacher will either assign either Creek Indians or Cherokee Indians, and the students will fill out their digital project based upon their Indian tribe, and they will fill in what kind of tools the tribe used, the homes, ways of making a living, accomplishments, clothing. It's a really fun little project, and there's so many different ways the students can use these digital tools. Of course, previous knowledge, like the students will have to know about, digital safety, and that is always taught at the beginning of the school year. And so basically they'll just fill in their digital project with this information, and once they have done this, they will be presenting their final project to the classroom. The students will be working in like groups of 2 typically. Any more than that, it becomes too much to handle. The classroom is equipped with iPads, laptops, and desktops for the students, so they will not have any problem accessing the digital tools. Mainly the teacher will kind of be the facilitator in this once she has taught the information, but the students will have to go back and do a little bit of research on their own, and they can use obviously the computer for that, or their textbook. Finally, some differentiation that I think is used in this is, like, a lot of times students aren't comfortable maybe speaking in front of the class. So with Adobe Spark, they could do their presentation and, more like at their seat or somewhere, and then just get up and present the presentation. They don't necessarily have to get up in front of the class and talk. Also, I felt like some of the SPED students would rather talk, or ESOL students would rather talk, and so that's why I included maybe using podcast. I feel like that group of students would enjoy that. So finally, I will tell you that I did not get to teach this lesson to my students this year due to COVID-19 and school closures. But this could easily be done as a digital learning project from home. It could be an assignment that the teacher gives, and it's obviously the students would work in pairs. Students would work one-on-one, and then they would turn in their project. So then maybe at the end, the teacher could make a YouTube video to send out to the whole class to present all the projects to the whole class. I am excited about implementing this lesson at some point. It may be next school year due to everything that has gone on, but I know that these second grade students would rock this project, and I really feel like that they would enjoy it and find it fun. Thanks for following along, and I will see you guys later.